Hello, welcome once again. In the previous video, we have successfully run our three tests. You see, this is three tests. So, so most of the case in almost everywhere we are using get by role, and one is get by text. So, get by role is our first priority. I said you earlier. This is our first priority. This is the first segment. This is the second segment on the priority list queue, and this is the third segment. So get by role is sometimes remain confusing is because uh, first of all you need to know the ARIA role. So get by role, to use it perfectly you need the ARIA role. ARIA role means I image tag or several tags. This is defined. This is to grab that DOM by get by role. You need img links. So from where you can get the links? Yesterday in previous video I show you one Chrome extension. Its name is it's not open. Let's see. I show you one plug on extension. Its name is Testing Playground. Okay. So by testing playground you can find the ARIA role. This is ARIA role. Okay. So another website given by the official documentation, and this is this website. From this website you can find the ARIA role. Say href, role link, role generic, role group, role link, generic, aside audio. Okay, so a lot of ARIA rules you will find from here. So I think these two tools will come handy. One is React Testing Playground, and another on this website. I will give you both links in the description. So these two tools will come handy to find the ARIA role. So another thing you need to know that we are running three tests. So there are some situation may arise that we have two image tags. Okay, so definitely this test will fail because uh, the query method will remain confusion on which image tag it needs to work. So this is tough. You see they are showing errors and test has been failed is because test playground found multiple elements with role image. So right now they are getting two image tags, so they becoming confused. So to solve this problem, what we need to do, you have to define different way the image tag. So let's see. I am creating another image. I am taking another image here, and its name is logo 192. So let's see. Import another pic from logo 192 png. Okay, and give it a name. So, change everything to differentiate from the another one. Okay, otherwise it will conflict. So another pic, still it will fail, I think, because still we have no distinguish or differentiate the two image tags. So why we want to run test on our first image tags, okay, by the ARIA role. So what we need to do, give it a name to differentiate with the another one. Name, say its name is, I'm using regex logo, and give it a I flag. I flag means case insensitive. I think this time this test will pass. Boom, the test is passed. So get by role you have to use it. Try your level best to use it because this is the first priority. So from where you can get the ARIA role, I have mentioned two websites. One is testing playground, another one is the website I am giving you. I will give you in the description. So if same two tags here, it will conflict. So what we need to do, give it a different name, then it will not conflict and you have to differentiate. And another thing I want to tell you that only, okay, so let's see, we have three tests running here. So some situation may arise that we want to run only one test. So what you will do, so to run only one test, you just give it postfix with only, then only this test will run, rest of the test will be skipped. You see, only one test is passing, rest of the two had been skipped. So this is the only flag or postfix. If we use it, then only this test will passed. So no more today. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. In the next video, we will discuss about the priority, tear down, and the describe block. You see, we have three tests, but it is scattered. So I want to group things together. I want to keep things with one description. So this will make your manageable codes and clean code. So I will discuss about describe blocks to group things together, the priority roles, and tear down. Okay, so see you soon. Thank you very much.